down, please. Okay, today we're gonna learn about unit changes of the Earth's surface and topic the changes of the Earth's surface. Okay, but before we start our lesson, I have some video to show you, and then you must watch carefully, and I have patience. Okay.
Hello friends, today we'll learn about types of rocks and the rock cycle. Rocks come in many different colors, sizes, and shapes. Geologists divide rocks into three basic groups. They are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Let's learn about each type one by one. Igneous rocks. Inside the Earth's core, there are a lot of molten materials and metals. They melt because of the temperature inside. The melted material puts too much pressure on the Earth's surface. Sometimes the surface breaks, and due to this, the magma comes out. When it comes out, it's called lava. It gets cold gradually and changes into the basalt rock. The rest of the magma that doesn't seep out stays inside the Earth. The leftover magma inside changes into granite, a type of igneous rock. You may have seen statues made of granite because it's so strong. Now sedimentary rocks. They're formed when sediment compresses. Sediment is comprised of tiny rocks.
Okay, everyone. After you watch the video, I have questions for you guys. Okay, how many types of rock? Three. And what do you have? Igneous rock. And next, sedimentary rock. And the last, metamorphic rock. Nice. Okay, everyone. There are what we're gonna learn about. First, vocabulary. Next, structure and concept. And first one is activity. Okay. For the first part, vocabulary. Everyone repeat it together. Vocabulary. Okay, I will turn on the audio for 2 times, and then you will repeat after me. For the first time.
Surface.
Second time.
Surface.
Your turn.
Surface.
Surface. It means the outside part or uppermost layer. Okay, for the example.
I live on the Earth's surface.
I live on the Earth's surface. Okay, your turn.
I live on the Earth's surface.
Nice. Okay, next word.
I live on the Earth.
For the first time.
Weathering.
Second time.
Weathering.
Your turn.
Weathering.
Weathering. It means to shake something like I have a big rock, and then with this weathering, it will be a small rock. For the example.
Weathering can shape rocks into unusual formations.
Okay, your turn.
Weathering has shaped rocks into
Unusual.
formation.
Nice. Okay, next word. For the first time.
Expanding.
For the second time.
Expanding.
Your turn.
Expanding.
Expanding. It means something that it will be bigger than before. Like me, when I was a kid, I am a small guy. When I have expanding, I will bigger. For the example,
The expanding ice makes the cracks bigger and breaks rocks over time.
Okay, your turn. Nice. Okay, next word.
Acid rain.
Second time.
Acid rain.
Your turn.
Acid rain.
Acid rain it means a rain that have more acid. It can break lock. Okay, for the example.
Rock wall is damaged by acid rain.
Your turn.
Rock wall is damaged by acid rain.
Nice. For the last word.
Limestone.
Second time.
Limestone.
Your turn.
Limestone.
Limestone. Okay. It means stone become limestone because of acid. Okay. For the example.
Acid rain weakens rocks such as limestone.
Your turn.
Acid rain weakens rocks such as limestone.
Okay, that's all for this part. And I will ask you, how many words that we learn about vocabulary? 5. Nice. Okay. First, surface, right? And second, glittering, nice. And the third, expanding, right? Okay. And next, acid rain, nice. Okay, for the last, limestone. Okay, good job. Everyone, clap your hands for yourself. Okay, now we move on to structure part. Passive voice. Okay, everyone repeat it together. Passive voice.
Passive voice.
Okay, but first I will give usage for you. The passive voice is used when we want to focus attention on the person or thing affected by the actions. Okay, this is form of passive. In the passive voice, the subject receives the actions of the verb. Okay, for the first, subject. What is subject? Everyday, he, she, or thing, a lot. And next, verb to be is am. And next main verb, swim, eat, run. Okay, but we gonna use verb to. And next followed by, and the last agent. Agent is people, animal, thing. Okay. I have the example for you. We use passive voice when we want to focus on object. Okay. For the first,
The change of the Earth's surface is caused by weathering.
okay, what is the subject in this sentence? Yes, the change of the Earth's surface is subject, and then followed by verb to be. What is verb to be? Is. In this sentence, is. Okay, and followed by main verb. Main verb in this sentence is cause, and followed by and weathering. Okay, nice. Okay, next sentence.
Sand is blown by wind and rain.
Sand is blown by wind and rain. What is verb to be? What is main verb? room. What is subject? Nice. And what is agent or object? Okay, wind and rain. Nice. And for the last,
Chalk is street by salt.
chalk is tree by salt. Okay, I will call the number. Number 29. You. Okay. What is verb to be in this sentence? Is. Nice. Okay, next is number 21. Okay, you. What is subject in this sentence? Shop, right? Okay. And the last, number 30. Oh, you. Okay. What is main verb? Oh, she. Nice. Okay, now we move to passage part. Is the changes of the Earth's surface. Okay, everyone repeat it together. Nice. Okay. For the first round, I will turn on the audio for you. And after it's done, I will explain it to you. And next, you will repeat or read it together. Okay, but before we start our passage, I will give the text for you. Okay, you can look at your passage when I turn on the audio. Okay, if you're ready, I will start. Please listen carefully.
The surface of the Earth is slowly changing. The change of the Earth's surface is caused by weathering. Weathering is a process where rock is broken down into smaller pieces over time. The smaller pieces of rock are called sediments. Weathering can shape rocks into unusual formations. Wind, water, ice, chemicals, and living things are causes of weathering. Sand blown by wind and rain hits large rocks over and over. The rocks are weakened and broken down into smaller pieces of rocks. Most rocks have tiny cracks in them. Rainwater gets into the cracks. In cold climates, the water freezes and
The surface of the Earth is slowly changing. It means the surface of the Earth when it will be changed, it use more time, maybe years and years. And weathering is a process where rock is broken down into smaller pieces. When it have a weathering, a big rock will be a small rock. And the smaller piece of rock, we call it sediments. Weathering can shape rocks into usual formation. Like you can see on the skin. Before you see a hole in this rock, is used to be a big rock, but is weathering. Rain, the water can get inside, and then when it's cold, it will be freeze, and then it will become ice. And when ice expand, the rock will be break.
The rocks are
And the last gases such as carbon dioxide in the air react with rainwater to form acid rain. Acid rain weaken rocks such as limestone. Okay, and then I will let you to read it together. For the first, everyone read it together. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, everyone. Good job. Okay, I will ask you something. Okay. Number 32. You, okay. The surface of Earth is slowly changing or fast changing. Slowly, nice, good job. Okay, and number 17. You, okay. In the last paragraph, it have a vocabulary that we have learned. What is the word? Limestone. Okay, you are did your great job. And then we will move on to the next part.